Hi there, my name is Darla Skolnikovich. I am the creator of SadieShelter HomeKits and Systems. I just kind of wanted to show you how quick and easy the assembly is for our basic HomeKit structure. This is my husband John and our daughter Sadie putting it together today. Our son Samuel is away at school, so he couldn't help us today, but just kind of wanted to walk you through the assembly, show you how easy it is to put one of our HomeKits together. This particular HomeKit model is a 3/4 scale, which means that it's 6 by 6 by 10. Our standard HomeKit is 8 by 8 by 10, but we can make it as large with the same basic design as 14 by 14 by 10 to 12. So John first brought out the door wall, while Sadie brought out just a wall panel. These wall panels interlock. The joints are interlocking with what we call joint braces. So we just drop a dowel right into that corner, and that secures the wall corner or the wall joint. We also can drop in dowels to further secure each wall within the internal or at the center of the wall. We can drop in 2 additional dowels. Not absolutely necessary, but if you're in a high wind or rough terrain type of situation, that can add a great deal of just support for the walls. You can see John just drops in our rolled dowels, which are terrifically strong. There is enough flexibility because of our joint brace design that our structures can be assembled on difficult, rough, uneven terrain without any compromise to the integrity of the structure. So they're now going to drop in our solid floor. And this floor can lie over, once again, uneven terrain, and it will mold itself to that terrain without becoming perforated or allowing any type of meaningful compromise to the integrity of the floor. The floor drops in over our subfloor flaps. These flaps are attached to the outside of our walls. Then they fold under the wall and come into the interior space about 6 to 8 inches. We drop our floor over that. The reason for this particular design is that it makes the structure homogeneous in such a way that it will protect its inhabitants from exposure of outside elements, contaminants. It pretty much eliminates any infiltration of contaminants into the interior of the structure or the living space. And put on the bottom roof tier. Now they're putting on the medium, or I guess the middle roof tier. And all of our roofs have strapping system, which means that the way that we secure the roof from wind, rain, any kind of extreme climate or condition, the roofs strap together and they can latch with a buckle that can be tightened. There's 4, one on each body side of the roof tiers. This is also convenient if you need to remove the roof, any section of the roof or the entire roof quickly. All you have to do is unlatch the buckles and throw the roof off. This door is kind of a source of pride for us as far as design. The exterior of the door, the face of the door, is covered with corrugated plastic, while the bar slides over the U-bolts, so you can lock the door from inside or outside. And then I just wanted to walk you in so you can see kind of, there's the threshold that kind of solidifies and fortifies that entrance that could get crushed otherwise. And you can see kind of what the interior space looks like. There's actually quite a bit of light even with the entire structure closed, with the door closed and locked. There's about 1 inch of ventilation space within each of those tiers. This is our ballistic insert. So what this is, we construct the walls you drop these walls into the interior of a completed home kit. And for soldiers or extremely difficult terrain, this set of walls just adds another complete wall system, 4 more inches of insulation space. This is our basic primary material. It's called Hexacomb. It's a corrugated recycled cardboard. This is our recycled corrugated plastic that we use on our door and on some of the moving parts. That's Cosmo, our dog. Thank you so much for your time. I'm so excited to share this project with you. Have a wonderful day.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Darla K. Skolnekovich, creator and owner of SadieShelter HomeKits and Systems Incorporated. My husband is John Skolnekovich.
Hi there.
And he will be shooting our models today.
Hi. We're going to be shooting the models with this rifle. It's a 264 mag. We're going to be shooting it with 140 grain bullets, which the 264 mag bullets, to my understanding, are much larger than the automatic assault rifle shells that will be fired at these walls.
Here are our regular home kit walls with our ballistic inserts within the walls. Now we'll fill the actually model number 1 with sand.
Now we're going to fill these buckets with just dirt that we found on site here for the 3rd model. Once again, we're going to be shooting the first ballistic model with sand with the 264 mag. Now we'll be shooting the second ballistic model, and that one is filled with the dirt that we found here on the shooting site. And finally, we're going to be shooting the ballistic wall with gravel.
Here we are on the site where our walls are, and John shot pretty dead center on every model.
This is test center, test 1. That's where it went in. This is number 2, where it went in. This is number 3, where it went in. Okay, let's walk around to the other side. There is no exit hole here.
I'll get a shot of the whole wall.
This is number 3 again.
Which is soil.
Soil. This is the soil we found on site.
Sand.
This is number 2 with sand. Once again, no exit. This is number 3 with the gravel. And there again, there's no exit.
Nothing. And that's the gravel.
Once again, all 3 of these were shot with the 264 mag. That's a rifle that I use for elk hunting, and it puts them down like that, and it can't go through our ballistic walls.